Daddy's going to do some stretches for me. To the left. There's a good girl. To the left. To the left. Good girl. To the left. Ria. Good girl. To the left. Good girl. Up, up, up. Stretch. There's a good girl. And down. Good girl. Should we go to the right? Good girl. To the right. Good girl. And all the way around. Ria, to the right. Good girl. Once more to the left. There's a good girl. Yeah, there's a good box. Good girl. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you.